Welcome to the WonderLatch Installation demo. The WonderLatch solves several common problems associated with two-piece safety latches. Many times, drawers have bullnoses that when a two-piece latch is added, there's not enough room to place your finger in to release the latch. The WonderLatch is also effective with modular European-style cabinetry, which often has no internal framing on which to attach a two-piece latch. So the WonderLatch has been developed to be mounted on the side of the cabinetry, so that the bullnose has no effect on whether you can work the latch or not. The first thing you need to do is place the latch on the rear fascia of the door, so that when the door is closed, the latch just clears the side frame. Mark the location of the catch screw, then remove the drawer. Pre-drill the hole for the catch screw where we made our pencil mark. Insert the catch screw to the point where the threads stop. Reinsert the drawer. Once the drawer is in place, put the latch back in position on the rear fascia. Then pre-drill the bottom hole, insert the bottom screw, then attach the latch to the rear fascia. Slide the drawer in and make sure that the catch lines up. See how easy it is to release? Pre-drill the top hole and insert the top screw to finish the installation. Test again by fully closing the drawer. Then pull it open again until the latch catches the catch screw. You're done!